Most people in this space will tell you that to make a lot of money with organic dropshipping, you eventually have to run ads. I never believed that. And after $1.7 million in sales and counting, I think I've proven my point. In this video, I'm gonna break down the exact system I use, the 4 pillars that made this possible, and exactly how I'm using AI to get results faster than ever. I'll be sharing my exact frameworks for finding products, branding, content strategy, and most importantly, consistency. By the end of this video, you're gonna have everything you need to launch your own organic dropshipping store without spending any money on ads. So let's get into it. So let me share this with you. 95% of dropshippers quit within the first 90 days, and it's not because dropshipping doesn't work. It's because they're doing the wrong version of this, and it looks like something like this. They find a product on AliExpress, they set up a generic Shopify store, they run Facebook ads, and then they spend between $3,000 and $5,000 testing before they even know if the product works. They run out of money and then they quit. That model is not only the riskiest model out there, but it is also extremely expensive. Let me be very clear, this is not what I would do. I would never take this much risk without knowing for sure I'm going to get a return on my investment. What I do and what I have been doing to be able to generate over $1.7 million in profits is organic dropshipping. And here's why this model is completely different. You are building a real brand surrounding one singular product. If you're taking notes right now, please write this down. You create organic social media content on TikTok and Instagram that reaches buyers who already want what you're selling. You make sales from that content, which means $0 in ad spend. And now AI powers every single step of the system. And that is exactly what I'm breaking down for you today. First things first, this system has 4 pillars: product, brand, content, consistency. Every single person I know in this space, including myself, who have successful organic dropshipping stores, they are working with these 4 pillars all together consistently. Miss one and the others won't matter. Also, before we get started, if you like this type of content, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. That helps me out so much. Pillar 1, product. I've said this before and I'm gonna say this again. If you have a bad product, you don't have a business, you will never see a dime. The content, the brand name, and the website will not matter if you don't have a solid product. If you pick a product that actually solves a problem, that actually makes people be like, oh, this is gonna solve a problem for me, then you have a business. Then you have customers who are gonna be willing to pay for your product. If you pick the wrong product, no amount of AI is gonna fix that. I learned this myself. My first organic dropshipping store was actually selling clothes, and the clothes were nothing special. I was literally reselling clothes that Shein was selling. I was posting every single day. I thought I was doing everything right, but then I noticed something. This is stuff that people can get anywhere and there's absolutely no branding. So why would someone buy from me and not buy from Shein directly? And this is why product selection is everything. Product research used to take me days, even weeks sometimes, but now with the power of AI and the combination of a dropshipping software like AutoDS, you can literally come up with an amazing product in less than an hour. Make sure to watch the last video I posted because I share with you exactly how you can find products to sell, and these products I'm sharing in that video is gonna be relevant forever. Pillar 2, brand. Here is where most people fail at this stage. And I know this because I made the same mistake when I started my clothing brand. When you build a store but you don't build a brand, you immediately fail. A store has product, a brand has identity. It has a name people remember, a visual look that feels consistent, and a voice that speaks directly to the exact buyer it's selling to. And the difference between a store and a brand, one is going to get a visitor, one is going to get a buyer. I built a complete faceless brand for my journal business and grew that account to over 21,000 followers. That is not a big following, and trust me when I say this, you need a couple viral videos and you're good to go. However, even with a small following, I was able to generate $500,000 in revenue. That is also the same brand that I was able to sell for 6 figures last year. Now imagine I built a complete faceless organic dropshipping business and I sold it for 6 figures. That is what's possible with this business if you do it right. And how did I do this? It's because every single piece of content I posted was targeted for the exact audience I knew were going to buy my journals. That brand clarity is what converts. Before AI, building a brand from scratch required so many things: a copywriter, a designer, a strategist. Now you can do all of that yourself in under 30 minutes using AI. ChatGPT can generate your brand name, your tagline, your brand story, and your full product description in a single session. You can also use Claude, fully train it to your exact frameworks, exactly like how I did, and it's basically going to be working for you just like how an actual virtual assistant would. This is the exact prompt I use for all my product descriptions using ChatGPT. Rewrite this product description for my brand, put in the name of the brand. The tone should be warm, approachable, and direct. The target buyer is XYZ, give it the description, make it feel like a real brand, not a generic product listing. The difference between an AI written brand description and the original supplier copy is the difference between a conversion and a bounce. Build the brand before you start posting. It pays back every single time. Every single one of my students inside my academy, they are taught to build their brand identity first before doing anything else. And by the way, if you want to work directly with me, come join my free live training. I'm going to leave the link down below of the next one that's coming up. Come learn directly from me, ask your questions, and leave with all the information you need to start your own online brand. Pillar 3, content. For whatever reason, this is the pillar that most people obsess over, but they get it completely wrong. They think content is about going viral. It is not. Content is about reaching the right buyer at the right moment with the right message. A 2,000 view video can generate more in sales than a 10,000 view video. I've seen this firsthand with my own brand, and it also happened with Stora Kitchen recently. Watch time and buyer intent is what drives revenues, not going viral. The question is, how do I create specific content for the specific buyers that I have for my brand? Now here's how AI changes the content game entirely. Step 1, use ChatGPT to write your video scripts. Your prompt is going to be something like, write a 30-second TikTok script for a product called, put in your product name. The tone is casual and direct. Show the problem the product solves and create urgency to buy. No hashtags, no emojis. Step 2, film the content. Now you have two options. Option 1 is filming the content yourself without showing your face, hands only. Product close-ups, lifestyle shots from the neck down, just like how I'm doing with Stora Kitchen. This performs well, and most importantly is $0 because you're doing it yourself. Option 2 is to create an AI avatar tool to generate the video entirely from your script. No filming, no camera, no face. You write the script with ChatGPT, paste it onto the tool, choose an avatar, and hit generate. Now, is it going to be perfect first try? No, you have to keep training AI for it to deliver the exact results you want to achieve. The output gets better the more specific your instructions are. This is why my prompts are so specific. I made an entire video on how to use AI avatars for this process. I'm going to link down the video down below. Also, if you've been enjoying this video so far, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. That helps me out so much. Pillar 4, consistency. You can do everything I just talked about, but if you're not going to be consistent, do not expect results. Do you get your degree after attending school for 1 year? Absolutely not. You have to attend for 4 whole years. The same thing applies for a business. Also, side note, please do not treat this as a hobby. Treat this as your life depends on it, as a real business. With Stora Kitchen, my organic test store, I kept going and posting, and now I have over 2,000 followers on Instagram doing exactly what I mentioned to you. I got my first sale after 29 pieces of content over 3 weeks. The industry average for a sale is up to 90 days. Now, most people are going to be posting content for like 1 week or 2 weeks, and mind you, they're complete beginners, so the content they're going to first make is not going to be the best, and then they're going to quit after 2 weeks. You have to keep going. The ones who make it past 30, 60, 90 days are not better than you or luckier than you. They just keep going. Now, how do you know if your videos are working? There are key factors that you need to pay attention to your analytics, so let's review them. Watch time is your leading indicator. If people are watching your videos all the way through, the algorithm is going to push them to more people. If people are clicking off in the first 3 seconds, the content needs work. When you find a video that holds attention and generates sales, you found your content formula. Recreate it, iterate it, scale from it. And when you have consistent sales from your hero product after, let's say, 6-ish months, that's when you grow your brand by adding complementary products. That's also how you're going to increase average order value. I'll be making another video on this, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, because there's so much to cover on adding complementary products to your existing existing product. And that is the full system you can use to build your own organic dropshipping store from your computer. If you got any value from this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in my next free live training so I can meet you, teach you, and also make sure that all your answers to your questions have been answered. Thank you so much for your time for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!